All right, so I got a lot of requests in the last video, even if I don't use the head, to go ahead and try and weld up the crack from the cooling jacket there. And I'm going to do that. I don't think I'm going to use this head because I just don't trust it. But hey, might as well practice my welding skills. And I feel like a professional TIG welder with aluminum could probably do this. I don't feel like I'm going to have any luck with it, but we're going to give it a shot. Certainly get a much better look at that now and how damaged that is. Well, not being a welder, I feel like I should take my die grinder and kind of work my way around here a little bit. Or should I just put a clamp on this thing and tack it and weld it just as is without taking off any material? I don't know. I think I'm going to go ahead and hit it with the die grinder just a little bit. Welders, you are welcome to scream. Got a new stainless steel brush here. Try to clean this aluminum as best I can. I know I'm going to get bleed through from whatever's on the inside of the jacket that I cannot get to and clean. I'm going to have to just try to burn some of that out. All right, let's see if we can get some tacks on this. Ooh, that's ugly, and it ain't going. That's some thick metal. It takes a long time to get that puddle to flow. That's what the problem is. It's looking better, but it's definitely porous. I'm going to have to make a few passes, I think. Aluminum is so dirty. I think what's going on here is, like I said, it's kind of pulling whatever dirt is on, inside of this nasty aluminum up to the surface. Sometimes you gotta, I guess, make a bunch of passes on it until you can get most of that to come to the surface and wipe it away. Whew, blowing bigger holes now. Whew. Started off better. Now I'm just blowing holes in it. Probably warping the cylinder head too. Smoke the tungsten. Alright, I'm not going to go any further. I don't know if the aluminum's too hot at this point, or I've got it too thin, or it's too porous at this point. Anybody out there who's a aluminum welder, I would love some tips on this thing to tell me what I'm doing wrong. I feel like the problem I probably am having is that I got the metal way too hot. And I probably should have let this thing cool in between running short passes.